What up, Biscuits? It's your boy, Biscuit Benny, back at it again on the CBR1000RR. We're heading to downtown Indy to see what it looks like after the protesting and the rioting. This is a touchy subject. I don't really want to get into any of it. I think we've all been affected by this in one way or another, and it's not good. None of it is good. So we're going to go downtown and see what's up. Punch Burger. Oh my goodness. Senator Mike Braun.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
You know, there's just not a lot to say. You know, the whole thing is very sobering. Not a lot of words to say. And with that quick little tour of downtown, this is Biscuit Benny signing off. And until the next time, peace.